Hi guys, good morning. So we're gonna grab some breakfast sa McDo. Mag-drive-thru kami because it's Daddy's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy! So ayun, bibili kami ng breakfast but iuwi lang dito para kainin. So yeah, come on!
Guwapo, baby boy! So we have a lot of breakfast. And pancakes, ito mga hash brown burgers like that. Yes, let's eat! Okay guys, so sorry for the messy bed, but ito yung balak kong suotin, this top. Super cute, kay mommy to. Then the shorts, yan, from Shein. Super cute na ganito. So, here's the fit. It's cute. Bagay sa akin pala yung top ni mommy. Cute niya. Okay guys, so change of outfit. Mas gusto naman isuotin yung red yung damit. So, ito na lang yung binigay niya sa akin. And, mas gusto ko siya. Mas cute siya tingnan. So, we're here at Shang and pupunta kami ng Mega Mall to buy ice cream. And bigyan kami ng Christmas decors if kaya. Dalawang Hokkaido mix. Yung isa may cheese cake.
Ma'am, okay lang po basta mix mo na combination po tayo ng milk and chocolate. Yes po. So out of stock po tayo sa cheese.
Now we're going to eat our dinner sa Shang Hotel. Specifically sa Hit. Excited for dinner because we're gonna eat buffet. Tagal na hindi nakapag-buffet. Okay guys, so ngayon, i-answer ko na yung quiz namin because until today lang yung deadline and I don't know, bakit parang medyo sumasama yung pakiramdam ko, di ko alam. Parang iinit ako pero hindi ko alam. Uminom na ako ng kay Jessie, but let's do this. Answer natin yung quiz. So I'm currently going out na because it's 4:47 na and we need to go. Also, I got a new case for my phone. It's so cute. See you at school na lang. So I'm at school na. Good luck sa test. I don't know what will happen, but yeah, see you after my test. So this is me after exam. I feel great kasi I feel yung mga binasa ko kanina, okay naman. Nandun siya sa test kanina, so I feel great. Currently studying for my menu design exam. Super daming formula nito. So, kailangan ma-memorize ko like. Kasi medyo nakalimutan ko na siya like. Last time pa kasi ito eh. Meron akong test from 10:30 to 12. Then yung second test ko is 6. So, I'm not sure pero tignan ko if uuwi ako mamaya. But, let's go to school first. Bought the calculator for test later. Kasi hindi ko alam na kailangan analog calculator pala. I received a package earlier from Brownies. Look at these. So sarap. Let's try one. Super tagal ko nang di nakakain ng brownies.
Hi, baby boy. Morning, guys. Currently, I'm studying sa ethics namin for later. And nakakatawa kasi hindi ko nabasa kung ano yung coverage. So, binasa ko hanggang unit 5 and hanggang unit 1 to 2 lang yung test.
Ang baba ng grade ko. Oh my God. Well, okay lang kasi 40 plus naman yung passing. Pero ang baba.
Naka-38 siya. May ice cream siya.
Currently at school. Good luck sa akin sa exam later. Hanap ako ng ball para kay baby. Hindi ko sure kung meron. So, bumalik ako ng mall kasi wala sa Pet Express yung favorite ball nila. So, check ko na lang sa Ace Hardware kung meron. Ang laki naman. Ito yung favorite nila. So, ito na yung babae ko. 2 big ball. Pero grabe, mahal ah. $4.79. Got the goods for baby. Yes, meron silang ball. I'm so excited na makita nila kasi nasira na yung ball nila. So, yes, here's a new one. Chloe, eyeball? Eyeball ba? Ati sa house eh? Eyeball? Up. Si Tweety.
Ang laki!
Uy! Hi!
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a baby.
Video to! Para tayo maglalaro. Maglalaro kami ng ano to? Throw namin yan. Hanapan! Bulaga!
The grand opening of Baked Beef's newest branch. And as we all know, it is going to be a day of excitement and non-stop anticipation as
We appreciate all of you for coming out today and the special day.
I love baking!
So, ito yung baking project and we chose Giant Monster. Diba? Gusto ko sa challenge eh. Ayan. Dapat ito unang unicorn. Pero napunta si Giant kasi sabi ko, uy, mukhang okay si Giant. So, ayan, Giant na lang. Bakeries era.
Orange floor.
12 grams. Ayaw na natin ng Giant Monster. Because I want to challenge. Sige na, halika na, kailangan natin dito. Currently, naantay namin yung oven kasi nawala na yung init niya. So, pinainit ko na lang ulit. So, yeah, I'm excited na makita kung maganda. Pero I feel maganda siya. So, yeah, it's good. Madali na kami. Dahil kanina pa ako. Ang tagal na. Hindi na.
Bakit? Ay, kala ko yan na. Hindi ko nabasa.
I'll just go into first year. Again, first class. Yes, our favorite
bread. Ooh, hot pa. Currently at Starbucks because we try ko yung pumpkin spice latte. We're going home. Wala pa dito yung Hey guys, so it's already 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm just gonna end this video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa Prelims vlog ko. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!